Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am sharing the recipe of Ayala meen Thoran or Mackerel Thoran. This is an authentic dish and my amma is only preparing for us. This goes well with rasam rice or sambar rice. Without further ado, let's get started. We have taken 3 mackerel here. These are fresh mackerels. My amma has cleaned all the fishes perfectly. The head and tail of the fishes are removed. We are going to boil the fish now. Add 1 cup of water, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, little amount of salt. Switch on the flame and cook the fish. We didn't remove the skin of the fish here. The fishes are boiling and you could see the skin is peeling off. It took 5 minutes to cook the fish. Once the fish is cooked, cool it and shred it using the hand. We need to prepare the coconut masala. For that, take 1 cup of coconut, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 green chilies, 2 shallots, some curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind it coarsely without adding water. For ginger garlic paste, we have taken 15 garlic cloves and a big piece of ginger. Here is the boiled and shredded mackerel. Well, shred it into quite big pieces because while cooking it breaks. This is the coconut masala paste. We have to grind it coarsely like this without adding water. We have taken less than quarter cup of tamarind juice, coarsely grinded ginger garlic paste and salt. Heat coconut oil in a kadai. Well, coconut oil tastes best for this recipe. Add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Once it crackles, add in half teaspoon of split urad dal. Let the urad dal fry in oil. We have added 2 red chilli and some curry leaf. Now add in the ginger garlic paste. Saute it until the raw smell goes off. Add in the shredded fish pieces. In goes the grinded coconut masala. So basically, we'll be adding all the ingredients in one go and saute it. We have taken less than quarter cup of tamarind juice. Add in salt as needed. Saute it gently until everything combines well. Adding in quarter cup of fish stock. Well, we reserve this fish stock while boiling the fish. Cook it from medium to high flame and mix it. Mix it gently so that the fish pieces doesn't break much. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Meanwhile, we have to open the kadai and give it a mix so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. We have to cook until all the fish stocks are drained well. Look at it, friends. You could see the consistency of the thoran is changing now. Our mackerel or Ayala meen thoran is ready to be served now. It should be dry consistency like this. This tastes best with the rice and sambar. Do try this mackerel thoran and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.